Hey guys, in this video, I will show you 3 powerful nodes that can speed up your MiniMax H3 video generation. The nodes I am going to show you will work with both the FL2VA model and the Ref2VA model. Let's get started. First of all, let's open a new workflow in ComfyUI. I'm going to choose the reference to video workflow. Here it is. Let's zoom in. Now let's take a look at the speed up nodes one by one. The first node is EasyCache. Let's double click and search for EasyCache. Here it is. Let's click on it. Now how do we add this node to the MiniMax workflow? It's simple. Just connect the model output of EasyCache to the model input of the basic guider node. Then we can connect the model input of EasyCache to the model output of the load diffusion model node. If you're using the LoRa loaders, just add them between the load diffusion model node and the EasyCache node. Then the options in EasyCache. Use the start % to decide when the EasyCache should start affecting the generation. Then use the end % to decide when it should stop. It's very easy node to use. Now what if you're using KSampler? Let's see how to use this node with it. Let's add a KSampler and then connect the model output of EasyCache to the model input of the KSampler. Simple as that. Now let's move on to the next node that can speed up the generation. Let's delete the EasyCache. So the next one is Spectrum Apply MiniMax H3 node. So it's a custom node from a custom node pack. So we can use the ComfyUI manager to install the custom node pack. Let me show you. So let's open the ComfyUI manager. Then in search box, type ComfyUI Spectrum MiniMax H3. So this is the custom node pack I'm talking about. So install it and restart the ComfyUI. In my case, I have already done it. Let's close the manager. So how to connect this node to the MiniMax workflow is basically similar to the EasyCache node. Just connect the model output to the model input of the basic guider. Then connect the model input to the model output of the load diffusion model node. And in case you are using LoRa loaders, add it between the connection of load diffusion model node and the Spectrum Apply MiniMax H3 node. So this node contains a lot of options. Honestly, I am pretty new to this, so I suggest playing with the settings to know how it helps you with your generation. And in case you are using a KSampler, the connection is similar to the previous connection we just saw. Just add the KSampler and connect the model output of Spectrum Apply MiniMax H3 to the model input of the KSampler. Simple as that. Now let's move on to the next node that can speed up the generation. It's the Patch Sage.json KJ node. So let's add the Patch Sage.json KJ node. So this node needs Sage.json to be installed in your ComfyUI. Now I already made a video about installing Sage.json in ComfyUI. So if you have not watched that video, I suggest watching that video. So this node is from a custom node pack called ComfyUI KJNodes. If you don't have the custom node pack, you can install it from the ComfyUI manager. So open the ComfyUI manager or extensions, then search for ComfyUI KJNodes. And here is the KJNodes. So just install the node. In my case, I have already done it. So let's close the ComfyUI manager. So to use the node with MiniMax, just connect the model output to the model input of basic guider node. Then connect the model input to the model output of the load diffusion model node. And in case if you are using LoRa loaders, just connect it between the load diffusion model node and the Patch Sage.json KJ node. Now to use Sage.json, change the Sage.json from disabled to auto. Also there are several options available. Most of the time the auto will work. Now in case of a KSampler, it's similar to the connection we just saw with other speedup nodes. So just connect the model output of the Patch Sage.json KJ node to the model input of the KSampler. Simple as that. So guys, these are the 3 nodes that will speed up your generation. Now what about combining the nodes to speed up even further? So let's open my other workflow. So this is how you can combine the speed up nodes. One combination is that you can combine EasyCache with Sage.json, and another way is that you can combine the Spectrum Apply MiniMax H3 node with Sage.json. And also don't combine both EasyCache and Spectrum Apply MiniMax H3 node. That can ruin your generation. And also the workflow that I shown here, you can download it from the description. So that's it guys. Also remember, these nodes can speed up your generation, but at the same time they can affect your quality as well. So if you don't care about a quality decrease, Try the speed up nodes to speed up your generation. And often you might have seen that I don't use these nodes in my workflows. That's because I usually prefer near production level quality. So thanks for watching. See you soon with another video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.